We appreciate your interest in enjoying an experience with National Park Express. Our luxury vehicles range in capacity from 15 to 60 passengers. And whether you are planning to visit Hoover Dam, the Grand Canyon, Zion, Bryce, Antelope Canyon, any of our other destinations, or just moving conveniently between hotels and venues in Las Vegas, we welcome you. And now with our new safety protocols, we've made it not only a truly memorable experience, but also a safer one. We are on the leading edge of tour and transportation companies with LED ultraviolet C UVC technology installed in all our buses and our office, as well as implementation of thermal temperature testing and enhanced cleaning procedures. Currently, we are practicing social distancing and the required use of face masks on our trips. At booking, we are requesting that each passenger bring a face mask. Ultraviolet C helps to kill pathogens and impurities in the air and on surfaces. This is the same sterilization technology successfully used in many hospitals. We have installed UVC-emitting LED lighting strips at the entrance to our vehicles, by the seating areas, and in the restrooms. For safety reasons, the UVC system is activated only when no one can be directly exposed to the light. The driver activates the UVC system through an interlock device and button on the dashboard. After the driver pushes the timer button, it has a 12-second delay before it activates the UVC lights to give the driver enough time to step out of the bus and not get exposed to UVC. Once the lights are on, they stay lit for approximately 75 seconds. LEDs on the entrance doorway and restroom are wired together with the rest of the UVC lights and are all activated together. The driver can press the button to sterilize before and after trips, and even during the day on tour after everyone is out of the bus. For example, once passengers get to a venue and disembark. In addition to these locations, to improve the safety of total airflow on our vehicles, we have installed these light strips inside the air ventilation system, where the UV sterilization is continuous when the bus is operating. Before and after the trip and during the day, our drivers continuously clean the most commonly touched areas, including handrails, restroom touch surfaces, and overhead luggage areas. And we've implemented fog sanitizing of the entire interior of our vehicles before and after each trip to maintain the safest environment we can during your travel. As passengers enter and leave our vehicles, a convenient hand sanitizing station is in the doorway, as well as mandatory thermal temperature scanning before entering. Vehicles have either mounted thermal scanners or a portable unit. Passengers are screened while maintaining social distancing. And to be certain everyone from our staff you may come in contact with is also protected. Employees must wear face masks throughout the workday and have their temperature checked as they arrive. We have installed hand cleaning stations for staff as they enter or leave, and for use during the day. We also have UVC installed in our office airflow system to continuously kill pathogens, and implemented comprehensive office cleaning protocols throughout the day to sterilize touch surfaces such as desk areas, wall switches, and doorknobs. At National Park Express, your health and well-being are important to us. We work hard to offer the best tour options and comfortable transportation to exciting destinations. And now we've taken the steps to make them the safest trips you can experience, with the latest health safety technology and procedures. We look forward to welcoming you to travel with us to wonderful destinations. National Park Express, your leader in the Southwest for tours and tour safety.